Today we have a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is Officer Gets Punched Twice by Stranger Before His Shift. Wow.
2025. An officer stopped at a gas station to grab a drink before starting his shift when he was approached by a man who challenged him to a fight.
What's your issue? Is it? What up, big John? You got an ID on you since you're coming in police contact? Why not?
You nigga.
What's your issue?
Come on outside.
What's up? 31, I'll be out with 1, 10th Street.
That bitch ass ain't ready to die.
What's your issue?
What you doing?
What's your issue? What's your issue? Yeah.
So back the
Okay, brother. Why don't you get me an ID?
back the up.
Let's go.
I'm dead serious. Back the up.
You started with me, man,
Nigga,
so I
back
can
the
ID
up, man.
you. Let's go. What's your ID, man?
Back the up or you die. I'm not playing.
That's what it is?
Hell yeah, nigga.
Okay, turn around.
Hell no, nigga.
I ain't playing with you.
Man, get the fuck out of here.
Stop.
Hell no, nigga.
You better stop. dude.
Hell no, nigga.
Stop right now.
Hell no, nigga.
Dude, I'm not fucking playing.
Hell no, nigga.
Okay, come here.
Hell no, nigga. What's up?
Let's go. Get
What's
on
up,
the fucking
nigga?
ground.
Hell no, nigga. You got me fucked up, nigga.
Let's go, dude.
Got me fucked up, nigga.
Yeah, you're on your
Come on,
rest,
nigga.
dude.
What up, nigga?
Let's go.
Hell no,
Come here.
Mmm.
All right, let's go, motherfucker. Stop it up.
Better bag up, nigga.
Mmm.
Let's go. You want to
Bag up?
Not in front of the Church of God. Oh boy. Oh. They getting busy in front of the Church of God.
I'm not playing, bro. Bag your ass up, bro. Bag your ass up, bro.
Get on the
Bag your ass up, bro.
Let's go, dude.
Bag your ass up, bro. I'm not playing, my nigga.
1101, let's go.
Man, if you don't tase his ass, get his ass together, man. What the hell? He just punched you in the face.
Bag your ass up, bro. Let's go. Bag your ass up, bro. Bag up, bro. Bro, bag up.
Oh, he putting his hands
Bro,
up.
bag the fuck up, bro.
Get on the fucking ground.
Hell no, nigga. Bag your ass up, man. Bag your ass up.
Come on, dude.
Bag your ass up, bro. Come on, bro. Bag your ass
I
up,
ain't
bro.
playing with your ass.
Come on. Bag your ass up, bro.
Mmm. Oh boy.
Bag your ass up. Come on. Come on.
Oh, you know what I'm thinking? Does he have his taser on him? This is what because maybe he just has the uniform on and going to work. I don't know. Do they get dressed? Do they get dressed at work or no? I know some officers do. Like when I was in corrections, some officers got dressed. You have a locker room. There's a locker room. And, you know, but for the most part, a lot of guys came with their uniform already on. And I know corrections is different than, you know, police work or whatever. But it's the same kind of thing where I'm thinking, like, do they get dressed at work or do they come to work already dressed, you know? Because in corrections, you have a locker. But for the most part, like me personally, I came to work dressed already. And I left work with my clothes on, and I changed at home, you know what I mean? And I only kept like my baton and stuff like that in my locker. Where do these guys, is it the same thing where these guys like go to work already dressed, or do they use the locker room and get dressed there? That's kind of what I'm wondering, because honestly, I think he should have been tased already. Because he's running away, he's tasing. We're already like probably 5 blocks away from where the initial incident started at. So what are we gonna do? Just keep running 10 blocks down?
Male, black, brown shirt, black pants. Northbound on Lincoln, 900 block. Lincoln, all right.
No way he got his taser on him and he ain't using it yet. I doubt he has his taser on him.
What's your issue, dude?
Nothing, bro. We good, bro. Go ahead, man. I'm off the market, bro. I'm off the market. Go ahead, bro.
Okay.
I'm hollering.
8th and Lincoln.
You all right, bro? I'm off the market, bro. I'm going.
Backup taking a long time, boy. They done ran 10 blocks already. Oh, there we go.
Bro, I'm off the Martin, bro.
Get on the ground!
Where are you at now?
It's a Lincoln.
Hold on, I'm off the Martin,
Get
bro.
on the ground!
I'm off the Martin, bro. I'm off the Martin.
Get ground!
Damn, let me tell you, bro. Bro. Stop.
Better get on the fucking ground now! You better get on the fucking ground!
Dude, I'm off the Martin, bro. Look, I'm letting you go. Look, man, I ain't no shit, bro. Give me Let me tell you my ID, dog. All right, come on, man. Let me tell you my ID, bro.
You got another hand?
Look, I ain't on the system. I'm off the Martin. I'm trying to tell you, I'm off the Martin. Hey,
What's up?
Nice, let's go. I'm talking about the Martin. Well, I'm off the Martin. I'm trying to tell you I'm off the Martin, bro. Get up. I'm trying to tell you.
Get play!
Bro, I'm trying to tell you. Come on, man. I'm trying to tell you I'm off the Martin, bro. Look, run my ID, G. I'm off the Martin. Yeah.
What do you think?
See, wait, I don't think he got his full gear on. Let me see. Hold on. We gotta run it back. Yeah, see, he just got his shirt on and stuff. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, he don't got his full gear on. Okay. Yeah, he don't got like the shirt and the all that other stuff. Yeah, because I'm sitting there wondering, cause you got a choice. And then for some of y'all that's watching me that I've worked with, and before y'all say, man, we ain't keep our batons in our locker. Remember, I worked at a Max too, okay? Because, there's some of the guys that, when I worked at a medium facility that watch me and listen. And at the Max is different. You know what I'm saying? We were assigned batons and stuff like that. So we didn't get them every day, new every day. Like, no, we didn't get them from the equipment room every day. We got, when you got assigned, you got your baton, boom. And that was it. You know what I'm saying? So in the Max, you could keep your baton, whatever. Yeah. So anyway.
Bro, I'm trying to tell you. Come on, man. I'm trying to tell you I'm off the Martin, bro. Look, run my ID, G. I'm off the Martin. Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm off the Martin, bro. I told you I'm off the Martin. Let's go.
No, partners. 31 need rescue. Check them out.
See? Told you I'm off the Martin. I'm good, bro. Stand by.
Stand by.
I ain't got no weapons on me, bro.
Going through the phone.
Anybody else standing?
Hey, let me, come here, man. Shut up. Right here.
Good.
Do me a favor and relax.
I am, bro. My ID, bro.
Alright, we'll get it. Just relax.
I ain't sitting on me, bro. What make you go and swing on me? I didn't swing on him.
I saw you.
I pushed him.
You pushed me right in the face.
No,
I saw you.
I'm off, man. I'm off some Martin.
Spread your fucking feet, dude.
Come on, man.
Clear expired at a time.
See that shit? They said I'm clear, fam. Let me go. Everybody else take a seat. Let me go, fam.
Take a floor out. One copy.
I'm trying to tell you, grab my stuff, man. I'm Officer Martin, man. I'm trying to tell y'all.
Yeah, Officer Martin, you're under arrest, so shut up.
Come on, man. I'm unsafe, man. When you gonna arrest me?
Is he good?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Grab my stuff, man. Sir. See that, sir. You got that dust below, please? We get it. Don't worry about it. Step all over my MCAT vest so y'all can...
Fuck, nice to see you. Went inside 1015 10th Street to get something to drink. And starts running in his mouth. It's like, get the fuck out of the store. Really? So he goes, come outside, you'll die. Okay. So I went outside, we started having a discussion, and crashed him. Glad you're in the area.
Yeah, no, when you said taser, I was like, well, maybe you could go for a ride, but I'm glad you didn't pull it out.
I didn't have it on me today. Or else I would have. As soon as you jacked me in the mouth, I was like, oh yeah.
Oh, you're saying for me to tase him?
Yeah, I was like,
oh.
I knew your ass would be sobering around here.
He kept going for his pocket, so I didn't know if he had a knife. And he told me when you step out of the gas station, you're gonna die. That's what he told me. Okay, let's do it. He goes, step outside, you're gonna die. All right, so I stepped out. And then he actually cracked me in the mouth.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, closed fist.
Did you tell me he's like a bitch?
What's up? No, I did not.
The suspect was charged with multiple felony counts of battery on an officer, multiple felony counts of threatening a public official, multiple counts of resisting arrest, and obstruction.
That's crazy, man. It was completely uncalled for. Completely uncalled for. Like, this guy is just chilling, and now it explains what's going on. You know, he didn't have his taser on him and all that other stuff. Like, now I get it, because I'm like, man, he punched and y'all just running 10 blocks down the road. Like what the hell? Man, get his ass together, boy. But anyways, man, let's go, man. Jailhouse accountability scorecard time. We got 6 categories here: compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety risk, wasted chances. 0 out of 10. 0 equals handled it perfectly. 10 equals generational crash out. The closer you are to 0, the better you did. And the same vice versa, okay? Compliance, 10 out of 10. He refused ID, refused commands, refused to back up, refused to get on the ground, he refused everything, okay? He did not comply one bit, all right? Attitude, 10 out of 10. Challenging an officer to a fight and talking crazy at the gas station is peak crash out behavior, man. This guy is really Looney Tunes, okay? Self-control, 10 out of 10. He had every chance to walk away, but instead kept escalating until it became physical. Truthfulness, 6 out of 10. He tried to downplay it after the fact, saying he only pushed him, while the officer says he got hit in the mouth. Safety risk, 10 out of 10. Threats, closing distance, reaching towards pockets, you know what I'm saying, resisting, and battery on an officer made this extremely dangerous. Wasted chances, 10 out of 10 again. The officer gave him repeated chances to back up, calm down, show ID, and stop. He wasted every single one. All right, so final jailhouse score, 56 out of 60. Converted score, 9.3 out of 10. This guy, if he was an inmate, and I'm sure he has been one in the past, he would be a problem. Okay, one, I do think he has mental health issues, but that's not an excuse. That would just make him a little bit more dangerous because he's unpredictable. This cop was completely minding his business, going about his day, and he picked a fight with him for no reason. So the same could happen inside of the facility. Nobody bothering this inmate, and he just wants to turn up for no reason. And clearly he does not have any respect for authority. Let me know your comments in the comment section, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.